Hey, I'm Chef Bridget. Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. Green bean casserole is an all-time favorite. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of this classic by using fresh Florida green beans. So we're going to go ahead and get started. You can slice, dice, whatever you feel comfortable doing. Keep those knuckles out of the way. And these are going in. And the next step is mushrooms. You use whatever variety you like. And you don't even have to slice them this thin, you can quarter them if you want. Those are going in with some fresh thyme. And we're gonna let this saute and start caramelizing and browning. And now we're gonna start making the roux. And this is what is gonna thicken our green bean casserole. And now we're gonna add our liquid. You can add all milk, all chicken broth, or a mixture of both. And slowly pour it in, mixing the roux and all the mushrooms in together. Our sauce is looking fantastic. It's nice and thick and velvety, looks great. And now it's time to add the main ingredient, the Florida green beans. So they are going in, not blanched or anything. All gonna cook in the oven. This is looking good. Now I'm gonna add the cheese, half of the cheese. About half of the toppings. Little cracked pepper. And now's a good time to go grab your casserole dish that you're gonna put this in. All right, I got my casserole dish and it is time to go in with the green bean casserole. All right, this is going in a preheated 375-degree oven, and I just happen to have one that's already made. So this is going in, one's coming out. Wow. Guys, look at this. This green bean casserole, you can feel so good about serving this to your family. It's absolutely perfect, it's nutritious, it's fresh, it's supporting Florida farmers, which we love, we want to do. Make sure you go to followfreshfromflorida.com and check out this recipe and many more like it. Happy cooking!